Hello, this is Mr. Lefteridge from Oakwood Adventist Academy, computer technology teacher. Just want to say thank you for taking the time to either view for the first time or to review this particular tutorial on our project. And this should be helpful, giving you a visual look at what we're doing in class regarding this particular project, which is entitled Poverty in the World. First, students will need to log into Edmodo to actually see the assignment. Because of conversations that can take place in the stream of the home page of Edmodo, it's sometimes difficult to actually locate where the assignment is. So suggestions that I give to the students are to go to notifications, and that way they can see, first of all, if they're missing any assignments or any assignments that are late, or I might have sent a direct post or an assignment comment. The students can immediately see that and then respond to it. The second best way is to filter the stream of the home page by simply going to the top, clicking on Filter Post By, and then clicking on Assignments. That will then quickly list just the assignments that I've been giving in class, and students can quickly locate what assignments they need to go to. This particular assignment is going to be turned in just like the other assignments that need to be turned in. They have to click Turn In to actually turn the assignment in. However, the link to turn that is in a Word document that must be clicked on first. And I gave a description of the assignment here, and this assignment kind of came out of a smaller assignment I gave earlier. I selected the photographs, but in this particular assignment I want the students to see the power of photographs, especially with the topic of poverty. So the students are going to research and select 10 photographs. 6th, 7th, and 8th are doing 10. 5th grade are only doing 5 photographs. And then I would like to give reference to where they have found, where the students find the pictures, mainly for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade, because they've had a little bit more experience, at least working with finding documents and things of that nature. So 5th grade, I'm just really looking for them to get the pictures and trying to assist them in learning how to insert pictures into the Word document. I listed several key questions that the students will respond to once they have located their pictures, and one of them here, it begins here, it says, as you look at each photograph, describe what you see in each picture. What does the picture mean to you? What are some of the things going on that are not seen in the picture but are impacting the picture? And what are some of the possible feelings that are going on based on the picture? And of course, whatever insights that the students can see as they view their pictures, they can add to it. Those are just some general questions that I put out there. If they're answering those questions with the written description, that is what I'm looking for. They will do well. All right. Once you click on Photographs of Poverty in the World project, this is the Word document link that must be open. And once that link is opened, this particular document will come up like this. And then with Windows 7, you may notice this Enable Editing. You will need to click on that if you are using Windows 7 at home. And of course, all of this is based on having a PC at home versus a Macintosh, for example. Things will obviously be different for you, but generally most of our students, I believe, have PCs at home, so I'm going to refer to mainly a PC. Alright, so the description is here on the page as well, and then I started them off with number 1 just to get them started. The idea now is to insert pictures onto this document, and then the students will write their description of what the picture looks like and answer those questions that I'm asking. So in order to get those pictures, I suggested the students go to google.com, and then once they go to google.com, it will come up like this for search. And today is the 14th year of Google, so happy birthday, Google. We are looking for images. So if you go up here to the top and just click on images, this will quickly pull up any image regarding whatever topic we type in. So we're just talking about poverty, and I'm just going to type the word poverty. You can quickly see how poverty in India, Africa, South Africa, and etc. are lining up here. Students can click, or rather type in any particular country as they are looking. They might want to know what it looks like in China or Australia. Whatever particular country they're looking for, of course America as well, they can type in those words. But I'm just going to click in poverty and hit enter, and as you can see, I'm getting a list of pictures very quickly of what was happening. So say I want this particular picture that I'm interested in. I want this one in my document. There are several ways to do it. I'm going to try with the screencast to do the right click first, the right click on my mouse, and then click save image as. And it's not coming up because I think I'm doing the screencast. So I'm just going to click on the picture. What it will do, it actually will send me to the website that the picture is being used. So this is the clearest picture that you can get. Then I can right click and click on save image as, and this is what should pop up. Now there's several places to save pictures. You can save it to as a download. You can save it to the desktop of the computer. You can save it to my documents. The best place that I would suggest is my pictures, because it's just a quick and easy way to locate whatever pictures that you want. And so all I need to do is click save. So once I've done that, my image is now saved. Alright, let me go and get just another one real quick. I'm going to select this young man here. I'll double click and get the picture, and I can right click, save image as, and then I'm already under my picture, so now I can just click the word save, and that picture is now saved. So that's how quickly you can save pictures. It's just a matter of either right clicking the first time, you might be able to get it. If not, just click on the picture, open it up, then right click on it, and then save it into your picture file on your computer. Alright, I'm going to go back to the Word document now, and what I want to do now is I want to insert those pictures onto my Word document. At the very top, I'm on my home page. Now I'm in Word 2010. You may have Word 2010 at home or 2007. Basically the principle is the same. These will change somewhat at the top, but generally we're just working with the insert tab. Whether you have 2010 or 2007, next to home should be the word insert. You click on insert and then immediately go here to picture, and you can already see that I've already have one of the pictures that I've downloaded here. I can see it right there, and then the other one is located here. Alright, and so let me just click on this one. I can quickly insert the picture by clicking insert, and there's my picture right on the Word document. Now the nice thing about Word is that I can resize the picture and I can move it around a little bit. Of course with PowerPoint you can do more things, but I wanted to show the students that in Word you can use pictures and move things around. I want to resize this picture, so if I go in the right corner, I can go in the right corner here or the top corner. The best place to go is to get it in the corners, because if I do it from the side, it's going to distort the picture. So with the corners, if I make it smaller, it's going to keep the proportion correctly. So I can resize the picture. I can make it smaller, or I can increase the size. Alright, so I can make it bigger however I want. Now this particular picture, if I want to move it, say, to the center, if I go back to the Home tab, then I can easily move that to the middle by going to the paragraph right here in the middle. I can go center, and I can go to the far right. Alright, so these are a couple tricks here that I can use to move the picture on my page. Another thing that you can do is if you want to move the picture, say anywhere, once I click on it and it becomes almost like a little cross here, and you can see the squares and the circles around the edges of the picture. That lets me know that I have the picture. I can now move it down with my cursor. Alright, it's a little challenge to move to the right or to the left, and that's why I'm suggesting using these tabs up here. But generally, if you want to move the picture down, I have it. You can see the square with my mouse cursor. That allows me to move it. Okay, it's a little challenging. Of course, you can hit your enter button to move it down as well. And I think as students move, get used to Word a little bit, they'll be able to adjust the picture to where they want. Okay, I want to insert the second picture. I'm going to go back to Insert, Picture, and I'm going to look for the other picture that I've located. I will click on it and click Insert. Now, what happened to my other picture? Okay, that's a problem. So what I want to do is, I made a mistake. I want to go back. I can just hit the undo button. See, because my cursor is here, it's going to replace this particular picture I started with. So what I want to do is I want to put my cursor below the picture that I have already. So what I'm going to do is go back to Insert, Picture, find my picture, click on it, click Insert, and now my picture is below it, and because it's a larger picture, it went to that next page, and that's fine. We can get as many pages as necessary, and then students again can decide, okay, I want to make it a little bit smaller, and now because I made it smaller, it went back for a moment to the first page, and it just depends on the size. As I make it bigger, it goes to the second page. Okay, and so students can decide how big they want their pictures. Once they begin writing their description, the best thing to do is put the cursor on the right side of the picture, hit enter, and then they can begin typing here. This picture is a picture of a young man, a young boy. Okay. Now, you will notice that this has an underline. I don't want that underline. I can quickly go up here to the yellow tab here where it says underline. I can click on it. That takes away that particular underline as well. And if I want to make it bold, I can make it bold, or I can italicize it if I'd like to. And these are some tools that the young people, the students will see. All right, so my description will go underneath here as I am, describing this particular picture and things that impress me in particular with this picture. Now, just to give you an idea, I'm going to give you an example of another student that has basically finished theirs, so you can get an idea of what it looks like when it is finished. Alright, so this is one of our students that kind of finished theirs, and I'm just using it as an example. They have a nice sizing of their pictures, and then they're giving a description of what's happening in the picture. So this is what it should look like basically at the end when the students have finished. They've numbered the pictures, resized the picture to their discretion to what they like, and a quick description of what they feel is going on in the picture. Alright, and that's kind of how it will look when we all finish, when everything is finished. Now, I want to send this to, I want to turn in the assignment. How do I do that? Well, once I have everything in order, I'm going to click Turn In, and then right here where it says File, I'm going to click on File, and then I'm going to look for that file on my computer, that particular Word document. And I don't have that particular assignment saved yet, so I'm just going to click on this particular Word document for now. And notice it attaches right here. You'll see an attachment red, and you just click Turn In Assignment. And that's how the students will turn in the Word document. It has to be saved. Now, if students are working on their flash drives, what will happen is if they saved it on their flash drives, when they click on File, instead of going to My Documents, they're going to go to My Computer and look for a flash drive. It will probably say something like E or F will be the letter, and the name of their flash drive will show up, and that's what they're going to click on to locate that particular document. That's the only difference. The flash drive is basically an external hard drive, and that's all it is, an external storage location for any files. All right, and basically that is the assignment. That's how it's going to look. That's how the students will turn it in. I know it's going to take a little adjustment on some of the Word document, how the pictures are going to be sized up, and how the wording will look, and that's part of the assignment. The students are learning how to adjust things in Word. And so I appreciate you reviewing or viewing this particular video, and hopefully this will be helpful for you. Again, if you have any questions, give me a call, email me, ask me, how do I do certain things? I'll be glad to assist. Thank you, and again, we will see you next time. Have a great day.